Okay, I'm nearly ready to go to rebuild my battery box. I've got my three 12 amp hour 12 volt batteries. I think the originals were 15, but these are going to have to be 12s. Got me charger. Sorry, there's my charger. Got my charger, and I bought a plug to go into the battery box that matches it. So that's how I'm going to charge it up. Got a fuse, got my battery connectors, got a main switch, and a quantity of high quality, high current cable. So I've just got to dig me. So at the moment, so I've got to cut the hole for the controller. I've got to cut the hole for the wires that go underneath. I've then got to paint it, and then I can start installing this. Okay, so it's probably a little bit more cozy in here than I was anticipating. I was expecting to put spacers in, but everything seems to just about fit. So now I can go ahead and wire it. Okay, I'm starting to get very close now. Everything is wired up. I've got my batteries sitting in here. Got the controller in. Got this mains power switch, which is currently in the charge position because it is actually charging as we speak. This is the main power cable coming up into the controller. That's good. It's got a fuse in here. Like I said, the switch changes between charge and on. That's going to be pushed down and in place. But basically, I'm ready to package this up now. Okay, barring a little bit of tidying up, it's complete. Will it work? Well, it definitely works. Here it goes.